Hey, it's Mark from You Can Plumbing, where I help you fix plumbing problems without the stress. Now today, we're gonna remove a wax seal. We're gonna do it the quick and easy way, and we're gonna keep ourselves nice and clean. That's why I wore this white shirt today, just to show you you can do it very clean. Now let's get started. All right, step one, let's get the tools we need together. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get a pair of gloves. Actually, we don't even need a pair of gloves. We just need one glove. Because if you have two gloves on, how are you going to get the real hard, crusty stuff? You need that fingernail to be able to scrape it off, right? I'm just kidding. We need a pair of gloves and a scraper. That's all you need to do this quick little job. You also need to remove your toilet. Now, I have a video showing you how to remove a toilet. So watch that video and then hop back in here if you haven't already removed your toilet. All right, here's step number 2. I flip the toilet over, expose the wax ring stuck to the bottom of the toilet, exactly the way you want it. You see the wax seal, the sticky ring creates a watertight seal between the toilet and the floor flange. Over time, they may break down or leak, but that is very rare. But if you ever have to remove the toilet for whatever reason, you're doing some flooring or something, always, always, always replace it. All right, now we're on to step 3. Now it's time to remove the wax seal. Now, all jokes aside, let's make sure we put our gloves on. We get a plastic bag, and you get your plastic scraper or metal scraper, and then you just start going around the edges. Grab hold of the bag. You'll see it comes off as a nice hunk of of wax. Now we just go around and we scrape it all off. Now when you get to this part here, you should be able to just pry underneath and pop it off. And you probably won't even have to touch it with your gloves. Drop that in the can. Once you're done scraping, it's always a good idea to have some paper towel handy. You don't have to do this part. I always like to do this. Just give it a good wipe. I mean, it really doesn't matter if you get all the wax off because you're just going to be putting another wax seal on. Just for cleanliness, for you not getting it all over your house. Make sure you throw all that out. And that's it. It's that simple. That's how you remove a wax seal from a toilet. And it's one of the key things to do is removing that wax seal to have a leak-free reinstall of your toilet. Now, if this video helped, please give it a like. Please subscribe. We're going to be giving back over 50% of the YouTube revenue that we make once we're monetized. Back to you, the subscribers. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one.